Welcome to the How to Set Up iThemes Security tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to set up iThemes Security for your website. To start setting up your website security, log into your website's backend. Navigate to the Security menu tab on the left side of the screen and click it. This will bring you to the setup process for iThemes Security. Start by choosing the type of website you have from either e-commerce, network, non-profit, blog, portfolio, or brochure. Choose who you are setting the site up from, for either self or client. Select whether you'd like to secure your user accounts with two-factor authentication. Select whether you'd like to enforce a password policy for your user accounts. Select what login features you'd like enabled on your website. Select what lockout features you'd like enabled on your website. Select from whether you'd like to use the default or custom user group settings. It's suggested that you use the default settings. Enable or disable whatever feature you'd like for each user group, and keep clicking Next until you'd finish going through the user groups. Click the Recommended Configure Site button. Click Next on the Global Settings screen and the Network Brute Force screen. On the Notification Center screen, click which user you'd like to receive notifications from iThemes Security. Review the overview on the Secure Site screen and click Secure Site. Wait for it to complete. And then click Finish once it has secured the site. You can now click on Dashboard to head over to your iThemes Security dashboard. You've now learned how to set up iThemes Security for your website.